Hello guys, my name is Florentino Zúñiga and I'm going to make this video to talk about how to create residual income, and I'm going to talk on why residual income is great, and I'm going to make a second video talking about why residual income is not that great as well. So I'm going to have, this is going to be pretty much part one of why residual income is great, and then I'm going to have another video talking about why residual income is not great and why it's better to get paid up front. So in order to create residual income, you need to have an opportunity that pays residually, and for that I'm a part of Power Lead System. I'm a part of Power Lead System, and if you check some of my other videos, I had built up my residual income to almost $1,500. So that's great. That's great. It's great having a residual income of over $1,500, and the great thing is that you don't have to work for that money over and over again. That's the great part. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to generate residual income. So the first thing you need to do, of course, we already have our offer. We have Power Lead System, and we are promoting the gold level, which pays you $20 a month residually. And this is the capture page that I am using. So the first thing you need to do, you need to get traffic. You need to get somebody to opt into your capture page. You want to get people's email. Now, the best way to generate real human emails and real people to actually give you their information is to build a bridge page, which I had not been doing for a while. I was kind of keeping away from it, but is the best way to actually get people's real emails, because a lot of people will enter bad emails and then there's nobody telling them, hey, if you enter a bad email, you're not going to get your information. But with a bridge page, you can actually tell people, hey, my name is Florentino Zúñiga, blah blah blah, I'm with this company, or go check your email. So you're telling them to go check their email and make sure that they enter a good email. And right on the same video, you tell them, and just in case you enter a bad email, click the back button so that you can actually enter your real email and you can get the information. And then towards the end of the video, you tell them click the button below to continue. And when they click the button to continue, they are sent over to the next page. So basically the way it works, they would enter their email right here, and they would click yes, show me perpetual leverage. As soon as they do that, they're going to be sent over to what I call a bridge page. This is what is called a bridge page. It's a short email, says welcome, watch till the end, get your information. And I created this bridge page to be generic, meaning that I'm going to be able to use this bridge page with all of my opportunities. I don't have to create a different one for all of them. So now I'm gonna let you hear exactly what I'm saying on this video, so that you have an idea of what to do to create your bridge page. So let's go. Hello guys, my name is Florentino Zúñiga, and I want to thank you for taking the time of filling out that information on the previous page. And now what I need you to do is to go to your email provider and check for an email either from AWEBER or from Priceless Possibilities. And once you get there, make sure you click on the confirmation email so that you can continue getting our emails. And if you enter a bad email, click on the back button and re-enter your real email, because all the information is going to be sent to your real email. And again, my name is Florentino Zúñiga. I live here in beautiful Dallas, Texas. And I'm out here shooting close to downtown Dallas. I'm in the levee next to the Trinity River, if you know anything about Dallas, Texas. And once you finish filling up your information, come back to this page, and there's a button below the video. Make sure you click on the button. It might say continue or get access. Once you get there, make sure you click on the button, and that's going to give you access to the information that you're looking for. And we hope to be able to help you generate residual income and now money, meaning that you get paid the same day. You can get paid to Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, and everything is completely legit, because we sell softwares, and that's how we make our money. So with that being said, guys, go upload the video and click on that yellow button and get started today. God bless you all and have a great day. So there you go, guys. That's pretty much what a bridge page does. Now, whenever people actually finish watching the bridge page, I'm already telling them to click here to continue, or to click the yellow button to continue. So what people do next, they click on the button and it's going to send them over to the Cash Now funnel.
This
is the one that is we're promoting the Power Lead system, and this is going to tell them $1 funnel that breaks the online income model. And it's going to talk about the great things about Power Lead system and how you can generate a lot of money. And when you get to this funnel, or whenever the person gets to this funnel, if they want to create an account with Power Lead system and become a member, they would just click here, click to activate, and then we'll take them over to the sign up page. This is where they sign up. And once they sign up, they come back and they click continue. Once they click continue, they get to set up the system so they can have the same Cash Now funnel system that I have that will help them generate residual income. This is a 15-minute video. Once they get their share code and finish setting everything up, they go to step 2. Step 2 is activate your revenue streams. Now, what do we mean by revenue streams? We mean this right here, because we have different levels in a Power Lead system. We have, this is the $20 residual income per month. This is a $45 residual income a month, the Emerald level. And then this one, and this one, they are one-time payments. This one pays you $50 one time. Of course, with the perpetual leverage, anybody that joins you, anytime they get somebody else to join, they make $50 and you make $50. And then Home Business Pro, same thing. You get paid $200 one time, and again, your downline, anytime they make a sale, they get $200, you get $200. And then we have the Master Traffic Institute. This one pays $500. Same thing. Whoever joins you, if they get somebody to join them, they make $500 and you make $500. So this one also has, it's both in one. It has residual income and then it has one-time payments. But the downside with Power Lead system is that they do have that 14-day trial. The 14-day trial can be a killer for business. Why? Because it gives them 14 days to back out. It gives them 14 days to do nothing with the system. Personally, that's one of the things I wish it could be changed. I wish there would be no free trials. If you join, start using the tools, and we get paid. Why? Because a lot of times we are purchasing traffic. And it makes no sense if we make sales and people don't actually use the system and they end up quitting. And that's part of the next video. That's going to be part of the second video of why I don't like. I'm starting not to like working extra hard on generating the residual income. I'm gearing more to moving towards promoting what pays me on the spot, what pays me the same day. But Power Lead system can actually generate you good money. Again, like I said, I was up to $1,500, and on the next video I'm gonna show you why I'm actually gonna move into. I'm 100% with Power Lead system. I'm 100% with the TNX tools system that we are promoting, that is launching in 11 days. And but I need to generate cash now. I need to generate money right now. If you join me today, I want to get paid today. I don't want to wait 14 days to get paid or 15 days to get paid. And so that's the first part. Now the next part of how to generate the money faster. If you want to generate money faster, you want to buy solo ads, guys. If you want to generate faster income online, you want to do paid advertisement. This is the fastest way for you to generate income. Buy solo ads. So I use UDIMI, and when I'm here in my back office UDIMI, all I do, I click on find sellers, and then here it's going to show me a list of people that are selling solo ads. It's gonna give me their price, and it's telling me what percentage of people are getting sales with the system. So this is 22%. This one is more expensive, but he's getting the people get 95% sales. This one 91%, and people getting 91% sales. We got Gabe 89% getting people getting sales. And as you can see, guys, everything's going up. Solo ads, they're all going up. They're all pretty pricey nowadays. Most people are probably about 15 cents higher than they used to be. And her, I actually had pretty good results with her, except for the last one. Except for the last run I had with her, it wasn't that good, but I used to get pretty good sales with her. And look at him, $2 a click. So a lot of people are going really high with their pricing. Let's check. Gary Ridenhour, we would click on his link, and then to find out what people are saying about him, you just scroll down, and then there's testimonials, more happy customers this year, more sales for my customers, responsive. And then you keep scrolling down, and then you're gonna get to this page. You're gonna get to this page, and this is the page where he sells his clicks. This is the page where he sells his advertisement. What I usually do with people, I test them out. The first time I do like 100 clicks, 125 clicks to 100 clicks. Maybe 150 clicks. So this is what I usually do. I usually buy like 50 clicks, and then I check to see the ability, when he can start my solo ad run, and I see that he can actually start it tomorrow. He can start it tomorrow. So I would click. I will click continue. And then here you choose what link you want to promote. So as you can see, I have a lot of different links here already that I wrote, that I have here in my back office. So I would click on that, and https workwithkeynote.com, which is this same capture page. This is the one that I am using, workwithkeynote.com. And then let me see. So since I'm live, I'm gonna purchase the solo with him. So you would click on use balance, because I have $6. I have $6 balance, and then I will click on checkout. And then I'm gonna pay with PayPal. Yes. And then I'm waiting for him to accept my order. So now what I usually do when I place an order with anybody, I click on message, and then I'm gonna say something like, I just placed an order with you. I am looking forward to working with even more clicks in the future. This will be just a test run before I increase the number of clicks, I'll purchasing feature. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna send him. I just placed an order with you. I am looking forward to working with even more clicks in the future. This will be just a test run before I increase the number of clicks I'll be purchasing in the future. And I'll just send the message, and now I can go to Udemy, go back to my home screen, and I can check my orders. And then the proposal expires in 25 hours. So he has 25 hours to accept my order. Once he accepts my order, he's gonna start sending the clicks. More than likely, it's gonna start tomorrow, or he could start today, depending on if when he accepts the order. And once the clicks start coming in, I'm gonna go to my email and I'm gonna start getting messages that say something like, let's see if I got any of them here. Okay, so I'm gonna start getting messages from Priceless Possibilities saying, Florentino, a prospect just filled up an opt-in form, and once I start getting those, I know that the traffic has started, and I'm gonna start generating leads, and more than likely I'm gonna be generating sales as well. So I hope this kind of encourages guys to start working on generating residual income. And again, I am using the Power Lead system. I have the link below the video. Click on it, or you saw the banner on top. That's gonna take you to the same capture page so that you can go through the funnel that I created. Well, part of it I created, the other part was created by my mentor Frank Calabro, and we are pushing on continuing to grow our residual income. And stay tuned for the next video, because in the next video I will be talking about why I'm gonna focus less on the residual income, and I'm gonna focus more on getting paid today. I'm gonna focus more on getting paid the same day and being able to use the same day the money the same day. And why is this important? Well, I'll just say because I'll be able to purchase more traffic to build the residual income, and at the same time purchase more traffic to get paid now, get paid today. So if this was interesting to you guys, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a great afternoon.